Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Instagram haul. This is coming from Kristianne's Crafty Adventures, and she had a physical kit that she was selling in her Instagram shop. So if you're interested, I'll have the link down below in the description box. But this is what she sent. This is a what does she call it? Oh, I forgot what it's called. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, friend. I just want to make sure I don't show the there. Look at how cute these stickers. I love it. I love doing it. Oh, look, she put sending you a handcrafted hello from so very far away. If I could read. And this is her thank you and her small business card. Just saying thank you for supporting a small business. How pretty. Oh, I love it. Kristianne, great job, hun. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not opening anything. Okay, so this is the kit, and it is a, it's not a hutch. It's like a bookshelf. I forget what she called it. Oh my gosh. She has a tutorial how to assemble it, but what it is, she does all the measuring, all the cutting, and she also put the score tape on here. So all you have to do is watch the video and follow her, put it all together. Yeah, and those will all be linked in the description box below. But I love it. I love how she put a belly band, this designer paper right here, cardstock. Very cute. And I love this ribbon. Thank you, Kristianne. Look, all the pieces. But you know, the video that you'll be watching, the tutorial, it will also in the beginning, she'll show you how to, you know, make your own, where to score it, how big your paper needs to be and all that good stuff. And I believe this is like the beads for the feet. It's a cupboard or bookshelf, some sort of that. I forget what it's called, but it's adorable. And it was well worth supporting our friend Kristianne, who does all these amazing digital, I mean, not digital, 3D paper projects that everyone loves. Oh, she put purple. Yay! Oh my gosh. So this is the drawer pull, and then these are the beads for the feet for your little cupboard. Oh, Kristianne, thank you. She knows I love purple. She knows. She knows. Look at the little washi tape. So fun. Thank you, Kristianne. Oh my gosh. Adorable. And these little baggies, how cute. So what is this one? Oh, this is the sprinkles that she made on our, not this past Sunday, but anyway. She was sharing sprinkles with us girls, with them girls, them crafty girls on Sunday. We do our lives on Sundays. But yeah, let me open the card. Hello, how rude. How rude, Eileen. So let's see. Aw, Kristianne, thank you. Oh, girl. She shared some more with me. Okay, I think this is the original. Yeah. So she has her shop there. Or her, not her shop, her handle. Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. You make me happy. How cute. Look at her beautiful mix. You guys, take it all in. So this one has white sequence bunnies, but all these little tiny little pearls in here, those are cookie decoration, the edibles, but you don't want to eat this. This is not edible anymore now that there's sequins in there. But look at the white bunnies. And then you've got the pralines, or what are these called? I don't know. Sugar candies. She uses them for her shakers, which is so pretty. I mean, but look at the pretty little candies that she's got in there. And she's got a little flower in this one. Very, very cute. And then she's got, ooh, seashells, flowers. Very nice. Thank you so much, Kristianne. And then let's see what this one is. I love this ribbon, by the way. Oh, she used the napkin. How cute. Definitely going to put that in the journal, of course. Us junk journal people, we can't let go of anything at all. What? Oh, Kristianne. She must have saw my Mickey box. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is adorable. Thank you so much, friend. Oh my gosh. Look at these. She got it from Hobby Lobby's clearance, I think. Don't quote me. But look at the hand. Oh, love you. How cute. Mickey and Minnie. Favorite, all-time favorite. Oh, these are adorable because they're the classic Mickey and Minnie. You see, and you know it's classic. Look at her hat, her classic hat, Minnie Mouse hat. Ultimate couple. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Hashtag MickMin. It's so cute. It says MICMIN. Bay. Oh my gosh, it's super tiny, you guys. This stamp has so much detail. Look at the Mickey head with the stitching. Is it stitching or orange slice? It looks like orange slice, actually. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at this with the glasses. Oh, so cute. Got a heart and a star. Oh, I love it, Kristianne. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Girl, you are amazing. You are amazing. I love it. Definitely putting this one in my journal. Definitely going to be stamping a few of these in my coloring book. Add that to the coloring book. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the one thing that I was purchasing, and everything else was extras. It was a little bit of a thank you and a little bit of a share, part of the package here that she had sent out, part of her kit. Oh my gosh. So let's see. I'm going to move this to the side. I'm going to see how many pieces. Am I going to make a mess? I might be making a mess, but it's okay because, oh, it's so cute. So definitely keeping that. Of course, everything is definitely, right? It's so annoying. Oh, I'm keeping everything. This is the cute. Oh, that's double-sided. I love that. But that's not part of the kit. So in the video on her YouTube channel, she has the tutorial how to put everything together, and she labels everything. Oh my gosh, this is the base of your hutch. That's what it's called. It's a hutch. And then everything is labeled E short, E long. These are the shelves that go in the hutch. D2, this is the what makes the drawers, D1, D2, and then C is your top and bottom of the hutch. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm going to put this together on a separate video because I need to watch the video myself again. Although I watched it as soon as I purchased it. I watched her tutorial, but I will be watching it and putting it together while she does all the magic. So guys, please go check out Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. I will leave her links for her Instagram shop, and her YouTube channel. You'll want to subscribe to her channel because that is also where the tutorials will be when she does these physical kits. She'll sell the kits, then she'll post the tutorial videos, and she's like a machine, guys. I'm like, I want to be her when I grow up because everything, there's a method to her process. I mean, I don't want to call it madness because it ain't madness. She is very well organized. So yeah, anyway, enough of me babbling. Thank you for watching. I hope you go check out Kristianne's Crafty Adventures and Kristianne's Crafty Shop on Instagram. And I will see you all on the next video. And let her know you came from me. You saw my video and you want this kit. But I'll show another video of me putting this together. Thanks for watching.